Hey, what's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a DIY hair mask today using all of the products that you see right in front of you. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Showing you all the products that I'm using today, and that's coconut oil, Jamaican black castor oil, avocado oil, mayo, extra virgin olive oil, grapeseed oil, 1 banana, 2 eggs, and my favorite, aloe vera. And this is fresh aloe vera that you see in this bowl. So I'm going to be putting all my products in this little small blender. Hopefully everything blends all together. So here's all the products in the blender, and now we're going to start blending all this together. Now, you don't have to use all of these products. You can use whatever you want, but these all have different benefits. It's either going to soften the hair, make it shine, make it stronger, and that's why I like this protein treatment. And this is the consistency that I have. It is a little runny, and I believe it's because of the aloe, but it still worked out pretty good. But here's a close-up of it, and we are going to start adding this to the hair. So here I'm just taking out my old crusty bun that I've been wearing for about a week or two now, and it's really dry, needs some attention, and this is where the mask come into play. So let's just section off our hair however you want to section off your hair, and then begin to apply this mask. One thing I will say about the mask is that I did not like is when I added the banana, because the banana actually left seeds in my hair, was I noticed when I started doing my shampooing. So you may want to strain this mask or not add the banana at all, but it wasn't really bad afterwards. Like once I washed my hair out and conditioned and detangled, it didn't seem like I had any more in my hair. But just just a note, if you're gonna use the banana, you might want to strain out your mask. So I've added some of the mask to the first small section, and as you can see, the curls are popping already. It's very shiny, and my hair is really soft. The smell is not that great, but overall the product is very nice for the hair, and I'll do this mask maybe once a month, depending on how bad my hair needs protein or just needs some love. But this is not a weekly protein mask or just regular mask that you need to do every week. This is just something monthly for your hair. If your hair needs a just some love and needs some extra care, this will be the product that you would like to use if you're into DIY mask. But you can always buy a mask out of the store. You do not have to make this stuff at home. They have masks in store, but I just love that I have all this stuff hands-on at home already, and that's why I just like to make my own mask, and it actually does make my hair feel better and different, and it's not as brittle and dry as it normally would be. So yeah, this hair mask is definitely a go-to for me. I would definitely give it a shot if you guys are interested in DIYs. But yeah, so I think I'm just gonna speed it up from here and let you guys see the ending results. So this is what my hair is looking like once I've applied the mask. I did not use all of it, but I used most of it, and it kind of makes my hair look like it has a clay mask in it, the way it's reverting my curls back. But my hair does feel really nice and soft. And side note for anyone who does not know, you do not want to use heat while doing this DIY hair mask, because it has egg in there, and the egg will cook in your hair and it's going to be hard to get out. So make sure you do not use heat while doing this. So now I'm just going to put my hair in a bun, and then I'm going to apply a plastic bag over my hair because I don't have any plastic caps right now. So we're going to apply the plastic bag and leave it on for 30 minutes. I got this all over my head. I put it in a little bun in the bag. So I put a plastic bag over my head because I don't have a plastic cap. I'm gonna let this sit in for 15 minutes and I'm gonna wash it out. Note, if I haven't mentioned it earlier in the video, do not use heat while doing this because there is egg in here and it will cook in your hair. So I'm gonna let this sit in here for 15 minutes, wash it out, and do my full wash day routine, and then I'll be back and I'll show you the results with and without product. Maybe without product for sure, but with product I'm not sure because I'm going to be jumping into another video because I'm actually going to be doing a protective style after this. So just all right, you guys, so this is my hair once I've washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned my hair. This has no product in my hair, and look how shiny and curly my hair is. No product. This is just bare hair, and this is exactly why I like this mask because it makes my hair look so healthy looking. Besides my heat damage in the front, don't mind that, but all my other curls look super duper healthy and nice and shiny and soft. But if you guys have not tried this hair mask out, just make sure you try it out at least once something and see how you like it. But like I said before, there are hair masks in the stores that you can buy. You do not have to do these at home if you do not want, but I prefer to do these homemade DIYs because it does actually help and benefit my hair. But this is the ending results, and if you guys enjoy the content today, just give me a thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe, and also don't forget to comment and let me know any other videos that you guys would like to see. And I just want to say I appreciate you guys for always watching and supporting, and thank you guys so much for stopping by today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.